I am Bertrade of Laon, daughter of Count Charibert of Laon, and wife to Pépin the Short, king of the Franks. My story unfolds in a time of great transformation, from the year 751 when Pépin rose to kingship, to his passing in 768. I share this tale in my own words, so you may glimpse the life of a queen and the heart of a woman shaped by power, loyalty, and devotion. When I first met Pépin, he was not yet a king but a man of great ambition and purpose. Though he was short in stature, his presence filled the halls of power. Our union was more than a marriage, it was a pact, a merging of two noble houses to solidify the Frankish realm. Our wedding, though modest, was steeped in tradition and reverence. It marked the beginning of a partnership that would define the Frankish kingdom. In 751, the tides of history shifted when Pépin dethroned Childeric III, the last of the Merovingians, with the blessing of Pope Zachary. It was a bold move, one that elevated him to the throne and established the Carolingian dynasty. As his queen, I stood beside him, offering counsel and support. Together, we navigated the labyrinth of court politics, alliances, and the ever-present threat of rebellion. My role as queen was multifaceted. I was a mediator, a diplomat, and a patron of the church. I worked tirelessly to strengthen ties between the Frankish court and the papacy, a relationship that proved pivotal for our reign. The alliance with the Holy See was cemented in 754 when Pope Stephen II anointed Pépin and our sons, Charles and Carloman, as the rightful rulers of the Franks. This sacred act not only legitimized our dynasty but also underscored the divine mandate of our rule. Life as a queen was not without its challenges. I bore the weight of ensuring the stability of the realm while nurturing a growing family. Charles, later known as Charlemagne, and Carloman were the future of the Frankish kingdom. I endeavored to instill in them the virtues of leadership, faith, and unity. Yet, as they grew older, their differences became evident, sowing seeds of discord that I feared would one day divide our realm. The years of Pépin's reign were marked by military campaigns to consolidate and expand the Frankish kingdom. From the conquest of Aquitaine to the subjugation of rebellious dukes, Pépin's vision of a unified realm demanded constant vigilance and resolve. While he led his armies, I managed the affairs of the court, ensuring that the kingdom's foundation remained strong. My faith was my anchor during these tumultuous years. I sought solace in prayer and the counsel of learned monks and bishops. I believed that our reign was not merely a temporal endeavor but a divine mission to bring order and faith to our people. I took great pride in supporting the construction of churches and monasteries, fostering a legacy of piety and learning. When Pépin fell ill in 768, the weight of the crown seemed heavier than ever. I remained by his side, offering comfort and care as his strength waned. His death left a void not only in my heart but also in the realm he had worked so tirelessly to unify. The division of the kingdom between Charles and Carloman, as per Pépin's will, was a source of deep concern for me. I feared that the unity we had forged would be undone by the ambitions of our sons. As I reflect on my life, I see a tapestry woven with triumphs and trials, faith and fortitude. I was a queen, yes, but also a woman who loved her family and her people. My legacy is not only the Carolingian dynasty but also the enduring spirit of a queen who stood steadfast in the face of history's relentless march. Through my story, I hope you see not only the grandeur of a royal court but also the humanity of a woman who played her part in shaping the destiny of a kingdom.